This is Rowan Dennis now, and he's taken a minute out of Lars Bak, and that is a good scout. Bak is a former time trial champion of Denmark. Rowan just flies by him, and right before a huge audience here. I wonder if he can find that 1 second to give him the lead.
Well, that is all he's looking for here, 15 minutes and 11 seconds, but he seems to be going faster in the second part of the course. You could see the speed difference between those two riders when he caught Lars Bak. He used a little bit of the slipstream, flipped straight past him. That will give him an added advantage of maybe a second or so. He was 1 second off at half distance, but he'd be liking to turn that into a 1 second advantage if he can.
Richie Porte here, the champion of Australia as well, as he continues. Just checking now that he's not into the leader positions down at the check yet. In fact, he's not on the door. I'm not sure he's even gone there just at the moment.
Yes, he's just gone through in 12th place, looking for 22 seconds. This may well be a little bit short and violent for Richie Porte, but the important thing is to set the advantages and to set the times for his teammates who go off a little later in the afternoon.
Two people fell in the water there. The crowd don't seem too worried about that as the Tour de France is running down the keys here in the centre of Utrecht. Rowan Dennis clearly ahead of his countryman by some seconds, looking to try and convert a 1 second deficit at the turn and beat the time of Josh van Emden at the finish. He's closing in.
You can almost feel, when you look at the images of him here, you can almost feel the power that he's generating from his body there. He's got great power. That's a massive chainring he's got on the front. He's got a 56-tooth chainring on the front end of his machine, and that's a much bigger gear that he can develop than the average bike that you'd get from the bike shop.
Look at this.
Oh, huge time.
Look at this. Is he going to go inside 15 seconds? That would be unthinkable on this course of 13.8 seconds. 8 kilometres rather, as he swings around now. He is on the ride of his life here. Rowan Dennis